Have you seen people wearing these weird nose bandages? What are those things all about? These are called Breathe Right nasal strips. I don't have any affiliation with this brand and there are plenty of other options available, but essentially it's a bandage with a piece of plastic in it and it opens up your nose. If you have allergies, a deviated septum, if you're prone to mucus, these can make a huge difference with your breathing through your nose, especially at night. Now some people like me have huge nostrils and it doesn't make any difference, but for many people this is a cheap, non-invasive way to breathe better while you're sleeping, reduce or even eliminate snoring, and it can really improve the quality of your sleep, which trickles over into the rest of your day. So if you have trouble with nose breathing, particularly at night, you might want to give them a try.